The Lion's Roar, Part 4, Leo and Myra's heroic ride had etched their names into the hearts of all creatures in the savannah. With their united roar nevertheless resonating, they embraced their roles as protectors of the land. Under their watchful eyes, the savannah flourished, and a feel of concord enveloped the animals. One morning, as the solar painted the sky with colorings of purple and gold, a faraway cry for assist reached Leo and Myra's ears. They rushed closer to the supply of the plea and determined a team of younger gazelles trapped via a raging river. Without hesitation, Leo and Myra sprang into action. Using their energy and teamwork, Leo and Myra created a makeshift bridge of fallen branches, permitting the gazelles to move to safety. Their victorious roars crammed the air, signaling the profitable rescue. Word of Leo and Myra's bravery unfolded quickly, and animals from all corners of the savannah sought their guidance. Leo and Myra shaped a council where exceptional species got here collectively to talk about and resolve challenges going through the land. Their harmony grew to be a supply of power and inspiration. One day, an injured elephant named Covey sought their help. His treasured calf was once trapped in a treacherous ravine. Leo and Myra led a crew of animals, every contributing their special skills, to orchestrate a daring rescue. With Leo's power and Myra's agility, they saved the younger elephant, solidifying their popularity as genuine heroes. As time passed, the land flourished, thanks to Leo and Myra's unwavering dedication. Their roars, as soon as an image of courage, now represented solidarity and harmony. The savannah had changed into a location the place animals of all sorts coexisted peacefully. One evening, Leo and Myra stood atop a hill, staring at the sunset. Their experience had been crammed with adventure, challenges, and triumphs. But it was once their friendship, unity, and shared reason that had genuinely set them apart. As the stars lit up the sky, Leo and Myra let out a final, resonating roar. Their voices carried a promise of a future the place the savannah would continue to be a testimony to their bravery and the enduring electricity of unity. And so, as the night time embraced the land, Leo and Myra's roars merged with the refrain of the savannah, a timeless melody of courage, friendship, and the lion's mighty roar. Your like, appreciation, and subscription are the greatest inspirations of my life. Please don't dislike it if you are not a kid. For any queries, please contact us using our website link. Thank you for watching.